Hello everyone, it's Irina here today. We're talking about the dandruff. So if you've never seen my video about the perfect anti-dandruff shampoo, you have to check that out. So in addition to that, because we also need to condition our hair, I am happy to share with you the deep conditioning treatment for dandruff, right? So you would need to do it only once a week. It would again deep condition your hair and scalp. It will alleviate scalp dryness and dandruff. We're using essential oils such as rosemary, lavender, and eucalyptus, and they're so good because they help to combat that dandruff. And we're also going to use an oil base where you could go with jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, or almond oil because that would help to keep the hair follicles in the scalp healthy. So let's not waste any time and add 1 tablespoon of the oil. Well, today I would say I would use grapeseed oil because recently I really love it, and we shall need 1 tablespoon of that. So let me work real hard to squeeze the 1 tablespoon of oil out of that bottle. I'm almost successful here and I'm done. So, by the way, pay attention, I am not mixing everything up in a glass container, normally I would because we're using essential oils, but this is just one treatment for your hair. Besides, if you have very long hair, you might need to double, triple the recipe. And I feel that, first of all, we're using oil, and be careful, it might get slippery in the shower, and I just don't want to drop it occasionally, and there's going to be nothing good coming from it. So now the essential oils. You'll take 2 drops eucalyptus essential oil. Go ahead, carefully add it here. You'll take 3 drops of lavender essential oil. That would also help to calm your nerves and promote good sleep. By the way, you should know that essential oils, they're like adaptogenic, and if you think that if you're going to smell lavender in the morning you will be like sleepy all day, nope, it would help you to sleep at night better, because some of the oils, even especially if you're using if you make an oil, if you make the lotion with them, they would probably be absorbed and get to your system and do the job only within 12 hours. So, and the rosemary, it's a wonderful, I would even say the best oil out there for hair care. You could easily go ahead and always add a couple of drops to your favorite shampoo, or hair mask. 3 drops of rosemary. So now how you're going to use this recipe. So while I'm mixing it up, I'm going to give you a very quick instruction. You would need to dampen your hair with warm water and massage the oil mixture into your scalp. It's very important to do the proper massage. You just do it, with your fingertips. Then, because it's a deep conditioning treatment, you will have to put on a shower cap or, just a plastic bag, right, on your hair, and you allow the oils to remain in there for 30 minutes. Then you would need to shampoo your hair to remove the oil treatment, obviously, and then rinse well and, apply whatever any other products that you're normally using. And this is it, guys. Very simple. You will smell divine and you will really help your hair get better. You'll have healthy scalp. That's what's important to get rid of the dandruff, right? I hope you guys like this video. You would give it a try. Please do share in the comment section down below this video your favorite, probably the best treatment of yours you have in your collection that help you to keep your hair and scalp healthy. Also, your experience with this particular recipe. Remember that rosemary and eucalyptus are not safe for babies and children actually, so don't try to do it in front of them. And I always do a patch test before using any new even DIY product. And I'm really full of precautions today. What happened to me? Every time you're mixing the essential oils, maybe you do multiple recipes at the same time, make sure you do it in a very well ventilated area because you will inhale in tons of them. You don't want to feel fuzzy. So guys, wish you to be very happy and healthy. Please do love yourselves. Every minute of the day, you are very important. Never forget about that. I love you too, guys. Don't forget to put the thumbs up. Thumbs up. Here it is, the thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.